So guys, what we have here today is an 880 PSI cordless pressure washer, and it comes with a foldable tank.
This was gifted to me by the manufacturer, but I will give you my honest take about this product because this is the first time that I will be using a cordless portable pressure washer. And to check what's in the box, right here is one of the two rechargeable batteries. And here is one of the 5-meter PVC hose, a set of wheels for the foldable tank, the second 5-meter PVC hose, and the rest of the items should be inside this foldable tank. And right here is the user manual, and I highly recommend that you read this for proper use, support, maintenance, safety, and warranty information. And right here is the second rechargeable battery, a short PVC hose with a female hose connector. And this is the only male hose connector that is included, so make sure you don't lose this one. They also included 3 female connectors, and these are the ones that you will install and connect to the PVC hose, which I'm going to show you later on. And this one is a filter that will prevent any solid object to go into the PVC hose. And this is the 6-in-1 long spear nozzle, and it attached directly to the high pressure gun. And this is a short chain that keeps the male hose connector from falling off the faucet. And this is the plug for the foldable tank, the power adapter to charge the 2 rechargeable batteries. Also included is the foam soap bottle sprayer, and lastly, the high pressure gun that looks like a drill. And right here is the foldable tank, which is a combination of plastic and rubber, and also serve as a storage for all its components. And this foldable tank is lightweight. And before we test it out, let's install the wheels for this foldable tank. And installing these wheels does not require any tools. Just push it all the way down to lock it in. And these wheels will help a lot, especially when you have this tank filled with water. Unfolding this foldable tank is not that hard. You just need a little effort to pull it up and you're all set. And with a combination of the wheels and this metal handle, it will be easy to pull this tank around, or at least on a concrete solid surface. The cover of this tank is also made of plastic, but it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. And it sits well on top of the tank. And make sure to lock the latches to secure it in place. There is also a hole on top of the cover that you can use if you want to feed a continuous water flow, or you can use this as a water outlet where you feed the PVC hose coming from the high pressure gun. But I prefer to use the male hose connector from the side of this tank, so I don't have to worry for the PVC hose getting disconnected. And this is how you connect the female hose connector to the PVC hose. First, unscrew the back of the female hose connector. Then insert that piece to the PVC hose. Then start attaching the PVC hose at the back of the female hose connector. Then screw the back piece in place. Hand tight is more than enough. You don't need to use any tool to tighten it. Then repeat the same process 2 more times for the other 2 female hose connector. So before you start doing some pressure washing, make sure that your batteries are fully charged. When you charge the battery, it turns red on the power adapter. But when it's fully charged, the light turns green. And each rechargeable battery can last up to 60 minutes on full charge. Now that the battery is fully charged, we're ready to start pressure washing. And it's also easy to attach the nozzles to the high pressure gun. Just position the nozzle sideways to the left, then twist it downward to lock it in place. So I place some water on the tank, and it's not much, but you can put more. Since this is just a simple demo, I just put a little bit of water.
Before I show you the nozzle on how it works, I want to show you the foaming spray. And it's just quick installing here, and to put some soap on it, just twist and unlock. Simple as that. So when you're inserting it, make sure that, and then pull out so it will lock.
Now as I try using it, there's not much vibration that is coming from the high pressure gun.
And to swap the nozzle, to unlock, you push it in and twist. Same thing with the nozzle. Then pull out so it's locked in place.
I will be showing you all the different types of spray nozzle. And according to the manufacturer's manual, they highly recommend that you stop using the high pressure gun before switching to a different spray nozzle. Now when it comes to the noise that is coming from the high pressure gun, the noise is very comparable to an electric pressure washer. But when it comes to convenience and portability, the biggest advantage of this portable pressure washer is that it's easy to move around, so you're not lifting or dragging anything heavy. You can roll it and even reposition it. You can use it in places where cleaning is usually feels annoying, like driveways, your backyard, parking areas, or anywhere without a nearby water source. That's why it's very practical for outdoor activities like camping, like beach day, road trips, or even outdoor sports. You can clean things off right there instead of waiting until you get home. And you can always find a place for it inside your car because of how compact it is when it's packed away. Instead of a big, awkward pressure washer, everything stores into one case. It doesn't feel like you're hauling an equipment. It feels more like bringing a toolbox. And because it stores neatly, you're more likely to actually bring it instead of leaving it behind because it's too bulky. It even has a handle, so carrying it around is easy. So guys, if you're looking for something that is durable, lightweight, portable, and cordless pressure washer that you can bring with you in your outdoor activities, or something that you can use around the house without the hassle of dragging a water hose around, get this 880 PSI cordless portable pressure washer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.